Hey guys, when we first started RVing, we were looking for quick and easy solutions to be able to stick things and adhere things in places around our trailer without having to move them or drill any holes. And we came up with some really great solutions and I want to share them with you. The number one thing we use is Velcro, and we buy the big rolls in the 15-pound weight capacity Velcro. That way we have no issue with anything we want to stick or hang. So we use this for things like our Christmas tree. All of these little things on the counter over here are all stuck using Velcro. Even my jewelry holder on the nightstand, that way we never have to worry about moving them. So obviously we're using this for a lot of little items, but we also hung our mirror with it, which is bigger and it is heavier. So first thing we did was we just tested to make sure that we weren't gonna have any issues with the Velcro sticking on the wall material. And then we just put a lot of Velcro on the back so that it was really secure, and we have not had it budge one time. The next thing we use is Alien Tape. This is a product that we've recently started using and we really, really love it. It's clear and it's double-sided and it's reusable, which is really nice. We use this for things like sticking our toothbrushes to the wall and also adhering a little hook by our door so we have a place to hang a trash bag. The other really cool thing about Alien Tape is that it's waterproof, unlike the other two options we have. The third thing we use is 3M VHB tape, which is also known as very high bond tape. It is double-sided sticky tape. It is so strong. Apple uses it to hold computers together. They use it to hold car parts together. Like, this stuff really holds stuff in place. We've used this previously on our other RVs to hold solar panels on the roof, but our gel coat didn't love the adhesion of the sticky, so we did not use this on our Escape. We used Sikaflex 252 to hold our solar panels in place on our Escape instead. Our favorite thing that our Velcro has done for us is it's actually helped us adhere our cushions to the backs of the wall so that they don't go flying while we're driving and we have to come in and pick them all up when we come into our trailer. Anyways, I hope this was helpful and I hope that these tools help you a little bit in your trailer. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.